Hi everyone and welcome to another product review. I'm probably one of the biggest Shure fans here in this room as far as I can see, because I'm a lucky owner of the most favorite and well-known, and probably you have seen that microphone already, the Shure SM7D B, a podcast microphone. And I use this microphone to record my voiceovers and as well as my videos here straight out of the camera from my desk here in Frankfurt and Cologne. Now Shure brought out a new microphone, which is this year the MV88. It's a plug and play microphone with a USB-C port for phones and tablets, and we have a look at this microphone in this video. But first of all, let's have a look what you get for your money. So you have this well-designed box, and included in that box was the MV88 USB-C microphone, a wind protection, and this nice case here, which has a hardcover, by the way, so it doesn't really matter if you just throw it in your camera bag or into your luggage, for instance. The setup can't be easier than that. So first of all, I would recommend to get either the Motive Audio app, which is available for free in the App Store, to record high quality voiceovers or make yourself some notes with your voice. The app that I use to make this video here is called Motive Video app, which is also available for free in the App Store. It's the ultimate camera app by Shure, and inside this app you can change the frame rate, the resolution, and you can also use all the PAL formats. You can enable or disable the image stabilizer, and you have all the available audio settings that come with this microphone here. So you can set your audio level, you have a voice mode, a band mode, an acoustic mode, you can change the recording angle, and you have also a compressor. What a compressor does is quite easy. I made a screenshot of the note, and if you would like to read through it, just pause this video. You have a high pass filter, which you can either switch off, leave it to 75 Hz or 150 Hz. You have an equalizer if you want to do some fine adjustments, and you can do firmware updates. Let's come to some examples, because I went down to the Rhine River in Cologne on a really cold day with my iPhone 17 Pro Max to record the following clips using the internal microphone as well as the MV88 for you. It's definitely a microphone for content creators, for podcasts, for people who sell online courses, or for online meetings. You're now listening to the internal microphone of my iPhone 17 Pro Max down here at the Rhine River in Cologne, western part of Germany. At the end of December 2025, down here in Offenbach, which is the neighbor town of Frankfurt am Main, there's a 777, or no, it's a 787 just above me. So another day here in Cologne, January 2026 already, recording myself with the Shure microphone and the front camera of my iPhone 17 Pro Max in 4K 25. So the compressor is set to medium and the recording angle is set to 60 degrees. There is a bit of background noise, to be honest. There's an excavator just behind me who's doing some jobs here, and some birds passing by. iPhone 17 Pro Max front camera, the compressor is now off and the high pass filter is set to 75 Hz, recording myself in 4K 25. So now I'm recording from all sides. Now I'm speaking above the microphone. Now I'm speaking below the microphone, and of course you will hear some audio from the front while I'm standing behind the microphone. And of course there's a little bit going around here in the city because it's under the week and the people are doing their work. This filter is set to 150 Hz and the compressor is set to medium, recording myself with the main camera of my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And as you can see from these waving flags, it's a bit windy today here in Frankfurt am Main. Shure MV88, recording myself in 4K 25 using the front camera of my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Compressor is set to medium and the high pass filter is set to 150 Hz. City center of Frankfurt, recording myself with the front camera of my iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's a bit windy today, and that is the internal microphone of my iPhone. as well as street surveys and many more things. It's super light, it's compact. It fits definitely into every camera bag or luggage. You have an easy designed app, an extreme clear audio, I would say, which is also ideal for voiceovers. So that was my review about the MV88. If you'd like this video, make sure to subscribe, and you can find my supporter link in the video description. See you next time here on the Daniel Life.